Check it out, YouTube. Beautiful day, but it's cold. As you can see, that it's windy. Freaking windy like crazy. Windy and cold, so let's work inside the garage today. Tackle some wiring. Put the air filter on. Alright, YouTuber, check it out. Got this from AutoZone. Spectrum, is that what they call it? Whatever it is, just put it on. It's sort of big, but for right now, it's all good in the hood. Freaking big, hey, big air filter, get big boost. Oh yeah. Oh my. The drink is half empty. I only had like a quarter of it. Man, it made me goofy already. Alright, let's get to business. TX350 transmission vacuum hose. Originally, it's from over here. Running up all the way to your engine. And my plan is cutting it off right here. Hook it up to this intake port right there. Alright.
New music? Now. Right here on my station.
It's all good in the hood. Alright, check it out. Vacuum for the transmission. Bun in. Looks sketchy, but it's gonna work. Alright, let's get on to the next step, YouTube. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube. Let's store some spark plug boots. But before that, let's get to this. Oh yeah, can't work without this, YouTuber. It's all good in the hood. Oh yeah. Alright, YouTuber. I bought the wrong spark plug boot. As you can see, well, you can't see it from here. Inside here, there's a metal ring like this. Okay, it came like that. And to put it in the LS engine spark plug, your normal spark plug, you know, just regular spark plug, you got this big hump and a curved end. The ring won't fit in there, too small. So what I do is I sort of open up this end, not open, and I bend the metal like that, and I slice it out. You have to work it out, and it's gonna work. Alright, YouTuber. If you are putting a 1998 to 2002, I think, C28 Camaro LS1 oil pan, you're gonna have to cut off the windlass tray. Is that what they call it here? It's right where my finger is, right before the second hole. See the first holes over there? Second hole, you're gonna have to cut right here. You're gonna have to cut it so the tray don't touch the oil pan when you try to tie it up. Alright, YouTube, let's cut this sucker up. And for the pickup tube, YouTube, gotta cut this little corner off. It's a little tight right here for the pickup tube. Gotta cut that off. Alright, YouTube, check it out. I got the windlass tray in. Okay, not too bad at all. If you can see, there's the part that we cut out up there. It's almost like before the second bolt from the front to the back. Yeah, let me go there. It's hard to film on the bottom of your car. See, right there. And the oil rings in for the pickup tube. See, let me back it out a little bit. Where's that back up? It's right here. Pickup tube. Only one bolt though. My last one got 2 bolts on it. This one only got 1 bolt, so but it's tight and sturdy. See, you wiggle it, nothing gonna move. It shake the whole car. Alright, YouTube, holy smoly, check it out. My beer almost empty, but I put gasket maker on all 4 corners. Alright, YouTube, green wire from blue slot on your PCM, your blue pin 58. Alright, YouTube, since the obd2 sensor is green color, this is what I take off from the PCM, okay? When you do all your wiring harness and stuff, this is what you have to take out, but don't throw it away. That's what I did. So I'm gonna steal some of this green wire. I know that my old BD2 sensor gotta be underneath the dash, right? So let's make the sensor longer. All right. Woo! Alright, YouTuber. Stock oil pan cannot fit. You need a 1998 to 2002 LS1 Camaro oil pan. The heater coil outlet, heater outlet, it's not gonna work. Alright, YouTube, let's take off the fan belt. Yo, YouTube. Come with a hose, piping, 4 piping. I think 2 is for the radiator, and 2 is from the transmission. Come with clamps. Check it out. That's not bad. For 22 bucks. Woohoo! Alright, YouTube, trans cooler, park number from O'Reilly Auto Park, okay? They were about, I think, 25 bucks. Let's open it up. Come with a cooler, come with a hose, and one of those fitting for the transmission. But I only have one. That's why I ordered this. Alright, let's hook it up.
Today, yeah. She talked to me like she knew me, yeah. Sleep in a jacuzzi, waking up right to the two-piece, yeah. Counting that paper like Gucci, yeah. Getting that chicken with peaches, yeah. Boy, you so feel like my collar, you sneaking, I swear to God, that be that. Hey, you know we winning.